Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J-Leg. See, if you are new, welcome to my channel and welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. I hope you enjoy my videos and you subscribe, be a part of my family. But if you're a binge watcher and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, what you waiting on? Subscribe. We're on our way to 200 subscribers. That's crazy. So today's video is all about how I style my faux locks, fox locks, whatever you want to call them. However, these styles that I'll be giving you guys are not limited to faux locks. You can use them on your box braids, your wigs, your natural hair. Any style you have, you can use these. So they are relatively above boob length, as you guys can see. So they'll be considered short. If you haven't watched my video on how I got my faux locks, not to worry, the link will be down below along with some of my previous videos and the link to my Instagram. Follow me. So let's get this video started. Okay, so we're just gonna get started. For the first look, I'm going for a crown going from ear to ear. So you're going to start from one ear, for example your left ear, and then you're going to carry the flat twist to the right ear. You can use a scrunchie to finish it off, or you can use a loose lock. I will be using the scrunchie, as you guys will see. So for the second look, we're going to do a half up, half down. Every style that I do, you're free to customize it, add jewelry or whatever you may need. You are not limited to what I show you in this video. And pardon if you saw it, my underarms, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on. I apologize. Just ignore it. Yeah, just ignore it. So the third look is just transforming the second look. You're just going to separate the top part into half with going on both sides and bring the back part to the front. As simple. Okay, so for the most part, these looks are self-explanatory. However, you will see that some parts of the clips are not in the best. I'm auto framing some of them. I apologize for that, but I did fix it later on in this video, so just ignore that and continue watching. I hope you guys like these looks. They're very simple, every and anybody can do them. They're really simple looks. I made sure to do flat twist because I know that majority can do flat twist over a braid, but as I said before, you are free to customize these looks and make them your own. Add jewelry if you please. Listen, do whatever your heart please with these looks. These are just the frames. You guys can build on them. Okay, so for the next look, I'm going with my fave. This look gives me a vibe. I don't know why. It just gives this this oomph. I don't know why I love this look so much, but I love it. So we're just gonna catch up right here in two and leave two tentacles on the side. This just give me I'm bad. I'm seductive. I don't know why, but I love it. It is so cute. Okay, so we're going in with my most common look. I typically wear my hair like this for the most part because I'm either doing something and I need my hair out my face, but it's also cute and you can wear it if you're going out. So yes, I love this. I wear it when I'm cleaning, everything. This is how my hair looks. Okay, so for the next look, this is relatively uncommon for adults to wear because I don't know if they think it's childish, but I think it's cute. You can rock it, you can put some cuffs on it, some strings, the gold strings, and let it be cute. I like it and I think it's a very unique look. And it gives me that vibe there. You know what I say? It give me a vibe. I like it. I'm rock with it. I'm rock with that look here. Okay, so for the next look, we're going to make a bow with the top ponytail. You can make two bows if you feel like, but for this look, I wanted one bow. So I'm going to separate the hair into three parts. Two going to the sides, each side, and then the middle piece going to the back. You guys will see. Okay, so this is the simplest of them all. I'm basically just using the perimeter of my hair as a headband. You see, just gather some of them and then you connect it at the back underneath your hair so that the hair can hide the scrunchie or whatever it is. Then you fix up your edges if you need to. If you don't want to do your edges, leave them, sis. You don't have to do it. Okay, so this is the final look. We're going in with a crown. It's kind of like a crown, kind of like a halo look, but this hairstyle give me a queen, a goddess, a empress kind of vibe. Listen, I feel so high and mighty with this look, and it's so simple. It is such a simple look. So you're just gonna do a flat twist going right around your hair, and then you just use some bobby pins to lay it flat. If you see any part of it flying out, you can stop it under the halo, or you can use a bobby pin. Okay, so guys, so that is the end. This is all the styles that I have for you guys. I have no clue how many styles I showed you guys, but while editing I will count and you guys will definitely see it in the title, as y'all saw, because y'all clicked it. Whatever the case may be. So if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and be a part of my family, I have a lot more videos coming. Again, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, it is linked down below. Follow me on my Instagram where you guys can message me and tell me what type of videos you guys want to see. I have a lot of requests and they're coming. I'm telling you guys, they're coming. I just can't go outside much, and yeah, to get products and shenanigans like that. So yes, thank you guys for understanding. Thank you guys for being patient. Thank you guys for supporting me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.